You won't believe on this one. Discord is giving away a ton of orbs, around 3,000 orbs. The first is from a new co-op horror game quest. It's a 1 to 4 player survival horror game where you need to deal with some supernatural entity. If you like it, give it a whirl. There we have it, 200 orbs. The second quest is from the Kortz Center heist. This is a GTA game about stealing valuable paintings from Kortz soon-term museum. You can play it solo or multiplayer. The third quest is from Resident Evil Survival Unit. It's a mobile quest and also mobile game. I don't need to explain much. After that we have eBay Live Quest. eBay is a platform where you can sell your stuff. But eBay Livestream means sellers can do live streams and sell stuff. The fifth quest is Marvel Strike Force. It's a phone quest. This is an Android, iOS, and iPadOS platforms game. I don't know much. If it tickles your fancy, just try it out. Now the sixth quest is from the Odyssey. It gives away 700 orbs. You need to do an activity here. There are some achievements too, but I won't get into that. I'll tell you how to get 700 orbs. Click practice and start shooting stuff. Once you are done with shooting everything, click Start Trial. Here, you need to shoot the arrow between the axes without touching any of them. If you fail the challenge, you will need to practice again, and then start the challenge. Now watch me. Just don't hold your aim for too long. The recoil is too sensitive. There we have it. We have our 700 orbs. In total, we got 1,700 orbs from the global quests. Now this is serious. We need to switch to the US location using VPN to see the America-specific quests. I use Proton VPN. You can use anything you want as long as it is safe.
One warning though. Once your VPN is enabled, do not do any activity on Discord besides doing the quests. Otherwise, you could receive a soft ban because Discord's AI will detect a location chain. Now, if you don't want to switch to the US location, assuming that you could receive a soft ban, that's fine too. Those who don't care, let's continue doing the next quests.
This quest is from Hope, Festival de Cannes. It's a South Korean and American movie. If you like it, you can watch it, but it's only in the US and South Korea, I guess. We have our 1,900 orbs. Then we got Bobby Hill quest on Avatar frames. Bobby Hill is a very old cartoon show that started in 1997 and ended in 2010. If you love 90s cartoon, you can check it out, no problem. Now we got a quest from FIFA World Cup games. If you love that, you can check it out. Surprisingly, the next quest is also from FIFA, which gives us a total of 2,300 orbs. Then we got Microsoft Azure quest. Honestly though, every time I make a video on Discord orbs, I always see a quest on Microsoft Azure. It's super common. The next quest is from iMax. If you don't know, iMax is a theater but more expensive one, if you will. I mean, it got recliners and all. If you haven't been there, you should check it out. The last time I went there, it was around $33 ticket. But it was a fun experience. Then we got a quest on Amazon. Meh, everyone knows it. We have a total of 2,900 orbs. The last quest was about iMac, which I was unable to open. I have no idea why. But I assume that one gave me another 200 orbs, which rounds up to 3,100 orbs in total.
Now, here's a little trick. I hope you haven't claimed your orbs from the US ones yet. First, disable your VPN, and then claim the orbs. If you claim your orbs while your VPN is enabled, they will throw captchas at you. And then just refresh your Discord page and collect your orbs. This way you can collect them smoothly without solving those annoying captchas. I got a little gift for those who stuck around in this video till now. Check this video called Authenticate Me. Go to its description, and you will find all the quest links. The video's link will be in the video's description. And as you can see, I have around 62,900 orbs. That's a lot of orbs. If 1,500 orbs give us 3 days of Nitro, then say like, almost 63,000 orbs give me around 125 days of Nitro, which is around 4 months, I guess? But isn't that cool? Even you can save up that much. That's all there is in the video. You can join my server if you want decor and layouts. Honestly, that's alright even if you don't want it. Just join us to make some new friends. And thanks to all who have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. We are super close to 14,000 subscribers.